Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So apparently Microsoft is sending out emails to users who are still running Windows 10 to let them know that support for Windows 10 is ending later this year. And this is gaining a bit of traction online, so I thought I would just share it with you in our series, The End of Windows 10. And here is a screen grab of one of those emails, where we can see right at the top that Microsoft says that its end of support for Windows 10 is approaching, and you can check upgrade eligibility and you can explore new computers, because obviously Microsoft's goal is to get you to get a new computer, as we have been talking about on the channel. Now, if we have a look at the FAQs, the frequently asked questions, the first one is, what does this mean for me? Microsoft says, after October 14, 2025, Microsoft will no longer provide free, that's important, free software updates from Windows Update, technical assistance, or security fixes for Windows 10. So just to focus on that free. Now, Microsoft says will no longer provide free software updates, but they do not tell customers that you can extend support by a year through the Extended Security Updates ESU program, as we have been talking about on the channel, where if you are a consumer, a home user running Windows 10, you can extend support for $30 for one extra year after support ends later this year. I'll leave a video regarding that, link down below and in the end screen. And they don't mention that corporations and enterprises can extend support by up to 3 years. I'll leave that video linked down below and in the end screen as well. So very interesting wording. They don't make any reference to the ESU, which I think is a little bit cheeky. And then Microsoft says in the next question, what can I do with my old computer? Trade it in or recycle it with local organizations. So clearly emphasizing here that Microsoft wants you to get rid of your old computer and upgrade to a new device. Will my Windows 10 PC stop working? No, your PC will continue to work, but support will be discontinued, which is quite correct. And I'll also leave a video linked down below and in the end screen on a couple of tips I've given to carry on running Windows 10 if you so wish to after support does end. And obviously Microsoft pushing Windows 11. Windows 11 is the most secure Windows ever built, with comprehensive end-to-end security that covers antivirus, firewall, internet protections and more. Read more about Windows security, and then they just give you some advice. So if you are going to carry on using your Windows 10 PC, that you keep it backed up using OneDrive. So at the end of the day with this email, we can clearly see that Microsoft is wanting you to buy a new device with Windows 11, and obviously it goes without saying that Microsoft would ultimately want you to go out and purchase a Copilot Plus PC, which is their big focus at the moment. But let me know what you think in the comments. Are you seeing this email? If you are, let me know. I'd be interested to see how wide this rollout of this email has been. But there we go. Just putting it out there. That's in our series, The End of Windows 10. And Microsoft obviously wanting users to move on to Windows 11, be that purchasing a new device or doing the upgrade if your device supports it. And as I get this information, obviously I'll post, because the closer we do get to the end of support in October, I think we're going to see a lot more of this happening, which I think is going to cause quite a bit of debate. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.